Why is Christmas like your job? Because you do all the work and the fat man in the suit gets all the credit.
What did Donald Trump's presidency and the Advent calendar have in common? The days are numbered.
What is it? Who hides in the bakery at Christmas? Who hides in the bakery at Christmas? I mean, spy.
So, what is the difference between a Christmas snowman and a Christmas snow girl? The answer? Snowballs.
What do you call a snowman's dog? A slush puppy.
How many presents can Santa fit into an empty sack? Only one, because when there's one in there, it's no longer empty.
How did Scrooge win the football match? The ghost of Christmas past.
Doctor, I don't know why, but I'm really scared of Santa. Oh, I see. You're suffering from claustrophobia.
What happens if you eat Christmas decorations? Get tinnitus.
What did Santa do when he went speed dating? He pulled a cracker.
Mary and Joseph, now they had a stable relationship.
What does Santa sing when he's coming down the chimney?
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Bloody hell. Jumper's tighter than a ring.
What do you get if you put... Oh. Got it.
I'm sorry.
Oh mate, I'm sorry.
Why did Santa quit smoking? Because it was bad for his health. Okay, this last one's Miley Cyrus, isn't it? This one's gonna bang. What was the question? What is Miley Cyrus having a Christmas dinner? What is Miley Cyrus having a Christmas dinner? Twerking.
What do you call a snowman who goes on Love Island? A melt.
So I bought my wife a wooden leg for Christmas. It's not a main present though, just a stocking filler.
Did you stop it?